First, you tell how are you and how's your day?
Yeah, my day is going great and I'm fine, fit and fine as usual. Thank you for asking. And what?
Mhm. Yeah, I'm also pretty well. We can say since morning I have been doing some work. That's why I get time this time. And yeah, now we are connecting.
A few moments later.
Hmm. As you know, my name is Seema. I live in a Kanpur. I have done PG post graduation. I was teacher 10 years ago, but I left the journey. Now I want to become a teacher again. That's why I'm learning English. And we can say about my hobby. There are so many hobby I have, but nowadays I want to connect with the person for getting fluency. And I want to become a good teacher, good YouTuber, good English speaker. That's all about myself. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Very nice to hear everything. You wanted many things in your life.
Yeah,
Uh,
actually, I have a lots of desire. Due to some reason, I had to sacrifice my desire, but now I have to do. We can say after 10 years, I will have to lay on the bed. Then I will have to repent myself. I had a time, but I didn't enjoy it my life. That's why. And we can say our life is very precious. We are human. Okay. And we
uh,
should complete our vision with ourselves. We should not think about other person. Yeah, actually, we have a lots of responsibility after getting married. Every parents have a responsibility, but after doing the responsibility, we should not forget or desire.
yeah, right.
Hmm.
Okay.
That's why. Yeah, actually, yesterday you had a, one topic.
Yeah, that topic about women protection law that is introduced by government before 10 to 20 years back. But some women are misusing that law to harass men. And
Mhm.
so I wanted your thoughts about that law. So what should be done, or how can how can be it be improved? Because
Mhm.
yeah,
Hmm.
recently a case has been incident happened in Bangalore. There a man committed suicide uh, due to the harassment of his wife. And yeah, although his wife has they are divorced. They got divorced, but and the wife was getting alimony money 45,000 per month from him, and still she was asking for more money to him.
Oh,
That is why all the harassment, all because all harassment, he has committed suicide and by uploading video online. Yeah,
okay. Okay, it means before die, he commits suicide. Hmm?
yeah,
Then, yeah, he reveal everything before die.
yeah, right.
Because,
It,
actually, die is a very simple solution. If you are you unable to face any problem, then you can die. That is a one option. No, actually, your life is very precious, and if you are not able to face this problem, then you can sit and you can see everything what is going on in front of you. But suddenly you take this as for die due to your wife. No, actually, you have your life is not your. There are so many person, your parents, your sister, your brothers, including in your life, and you suddenly you take decision for suicide because of your wife. Hmm? Actually, yeah, he was arrested by her wife, by his wife, and because she was asking alimony.
she was getting alimony 45,000 per month already, but she
Mhm.
was asking more money from him. That is why,
Okay,
and all fake charges and fake cases has been framed on him, and
okay,
yeah, he was appearing in the court, and judge also, judiciary also not supporting him. So
okay.
that
Yeah, yeah.
he has told everything in the in his video.
Okay, okay. Yeah, actually, that time he had lots of burden. He was so was afraid. We can say judge also unable to listen him. Okay,
Yeah,
and he had no any options. Then he took decide for die. But it was not right. Actually, there's so many media available here. If your wife asked some more money, and you are not allowed to give him this money, then it's not your cup of tea. And we can say about your whatever you get money, whatever we can say, what is your salary, depend your salary, what is your amount of salary, then you able to give alimony. Okay, and yeah, and judge also didn't support him. That is a big issue. Actually, we can't believe our law. We can't believe our law. Yeah,
yeah,
and hmm, actually,
uh,
after when we are in a trouble, when we are angry, we are sad, and we have some allegation, then we always go in a we can say uh, we always take advantage of law. We
yeah,
always go
misuse.
in the court because we always believe any judge. And
Yeah,
if judge also ask money for close this case, and he is not support us, then we don't have any options. Then it doesn't matter whatever we are educated and know, and we need a support. And after knowing or right, if we are not able to get this right, then it's not a good thing, and it's fault on government also. Mm.
yeah, you are right. Whatever you said, everything is right. But here is the main point is that if any person mm, has charges against him, and he want to get justice, he go to the court judiciary. If
Mm-hmm.
if judiciary is not supporting him, then where else he will go? Well, because last option is judiciary. And but you made a good point. Here is also media is also present,
Yeah,
available.
so
Yeah,
many me. Mm.
yeah, he
Actually, mm.
should
Yes.
have raised
Mm.
his, he should have raised his voice in social media, or in print media, electronic media, right? So
Yeah,
he,
actually, actually, when he had a dare in front of media recording video, we can say he knows very well ki after my die, my news will be top of the town. Everywhere it is increasing. Hmm?
yeah,
But what about his life? Now he is not here, and
he is not
after
here.
2 months and 3 months, it will close. Nobody can remember he was that person who always we can say who has lots of allegation by his wife. Nobody can and we can say about wife, we wife also can get other marriage. She will be happy in her life. Yeah, in my case, yeah, that is not a one solution. He had lots of solution, and we can say if he is a educated person, he was not his. Okay, he was a good speaker. He was a good educated person. Then he know what is we have a right according to constitution. Then he should have raised his voice against
Yeah,
his wife.
yeah,
Hmm.
he was a very educated person. He was an IT engineer,
Yeah.
and here I would like to raise a point here that I was talking about women protection law.
Hmm.
Yeah, there are a lot of facilities, or the lot of reservations are available for women, as you know, in
Yeah.
parliament, yeah, in defense, yeah, employment, everywhere. But there is no option. There is no option of men's law, men's empowerment law. There is no men's commission. So yeah, and
Actually,
I have seen a lot of agitation and lot of rallies that happen in the New Delhi, Delhi, central capital
mhm,
of India, Delhi, where lot of people stand there uh, to make a men's commission, because a
mhm,
lot of women are misusing the women protection law nowadays.
mhm, mhm.
They are they are charging fake cases against men and harassing them, and want money from them.
Alimony. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Actually, initially or ancestor time, there were so many king had two Rania, three. Okay, and after constitution, every man has a dare to keep two wife because of alimony. We can say if they had to give this type of alimony, they always afraid to second wife. Okay,
yeah,
yeah, and if this relationship is very sensitive, and first we have to maintain our relationship. It's very, and after deliver child, actually parents have a responsibility for our child. Then for
yeah,
children, we have to maintain our relationship, and if we are not. We don't get along well, then first decision is divorce better than death. We can say most of people they don't get along well, then take decide for suicide. But after divorce, because of alimony, he was die. It is not right. Actually, government should take action for this. And alimony, actually, first we should uh, see what was the problem behind this, what was the reason behind this, or and who wants divorce. Actually, wife wanted this divorce, then it was not good for alimony. Actually, she wants na,
yeah,
she
yeah.
wants.
Right, right.
Yeah,
I got.
actually, if we can say about man, if a man wants divorce, then he has a right for give alimony because of
Yeah,
actually he got married, and now he is a father, then he has a lots of responsibility. And if they don't get along well, okay, दोनों में नहीं बनती है, then if this quarrel is going on long time, then first divorce is good. Actually,
yeah.
most
So
of people take decision for suicide. It is not right. Okay,
yeah,
and
they get
but
they should got separated.
yeah,
Uh, instead of getting committed suicide, right?
yeah. So
It's
we don't know. Actually, we don't know. And now this news, I think, top of the town, and
yeah,
everybody can see this news. And media also went. I think after his die, media also went there in Lost family for
yeah,
yeah, for investigation. And now I think it is not to it is not right for men. Okay, we can say now he is not here. He lost his life, and he actually he didn't think about his parents. His life is not his life. Actually, there are so many people, including his life and parents. Actually they spend so many time, so many money for his education, and we can say due to wife he left everything. Actually,
yeah,
he shared his feeling with her parents, with his parents, with his brother, friends. And he was so many educated person. Then he know very well what the advantage of media. Then he should have taken action for this.
yeah. In his last video, he has told in his last video that my parents and my brothers and sisters should not be harassed, and they are not responsible for anything. Uh, I'm committing suicide, and my whole my it is it this responsibility will be uh, yeah, she's the responsible for my death, for my suicide. So
Mm.
yeah, his last video, he has told everything.
Yeah,
So I
yeah.
think
You
I
can
think
say he
I
had
am
any options. He had no any options. That's why he wrote everything in this
yeah,
commitment society. But it was not good. Actually, life is very precious, and every time we have to stand, raise our voice. If we are not able to face this problem, then we should take advantage of media. And we can say he was afraid from judge. Judge also asked money, and wife also asked money, and he was not allowed to see his children after
yeah,
divorce. You told
yeah,
me
right.
yesterday. Then actually there are so many allegation he had. That's why he had no any chance. Then he took decision for suicide.
Right,
Yeah,
right.
yeah, it was not good actually. There's so many people including in this case.
Yeah, right, right. And everywhere voices, you can heard voices getting raised, and
Hmm.
people are talking about this case, and people are demanding men's commission uh,
Hmm.
from this case as of now. So
Yeah, yeah. Actually, now everybody afraid from this suicide comment, and judge also.
yeah,
Judge
yeah, right.
also. Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
sir. Now, if you have other question, then you can ask. Actually, it was very tough for me. We can say, yeah, he got suicide. It was not good, but we can't do anything for other person. Everybody has their thought. Hmm.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
So
Hmm.
yeah, you can stop recording. It is
Okay.
enough for uploading. Okay, you can just
Okay.
stop recording.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for connecting, sir. And we
Okay,
will meet again. Until then, you have fun, take care, keep learning. Thank you.
Meher, everything. Have a good day. Goodbye. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you. Bye.